Hello, believe you guys can hear me loud and clear. How's your night and how is your family? Hope you enjoy your weekend. Um, yeah, pardon me, I won't be able to show my face because I'm not feeling too very well this morning, but I just had to do this. Okay, I had to do this for us. So now, I just want to give a quick explanation on some of these pairs and what we should be waiting for. Like I've said in last week, that it's likely for NAS 100 to form something like a W pattern, which is likely to start playing out. So right now, you agree with me that it has come here, it has come here. We said it's probably going to come here and then start running to the upside, hopefully. So that is what we are expecting it to do right now. But right now, if you look at it, it's still coming, probably to come and retest or give us another proper entry before it start moving to the upside. However, if this doesn't happen, remember I said this is 0.618, the diamond zone that I said it might still come and retest. Or lastly, this trend line, if it respect this and it start moving to the upside, I won't be surprised. If it retest this and start moving to the upside, I won't be surprised. But the one that if it didn't do, if let's say it broke below this and start rallying to the upside, start rallying to the downside, ladies and gentlemen, I might start looking for a chart pattern to confirm if this thing has changed bias to become a sell trend instead of buy. Okay, but right now we are still very good. But one thing you should know is that we have different probabilities of how it's going to play out. So that's why you should always use your proper risk management. Don't risk everything at once. Okay, don't risk all your accounts, don't lose it. So probably if you are trading a prop firm account, do 0.5 of your account or 1% of your account to catch this trade. If it doesn't play out, let's see if it's going to play out here or here. Anyone will see and time will tell. Okay, that is that on NAS 100. Now on GBP JPY has not given us any kind of reaction to let us know that it wants to start coming down. So we are still in this swing. So AUD USD, yeah, I want to call AUD USD out for you guys, and it's going to be ready in a matter of a minute right now. So let me just zoom. Because it has been consolidating, and this is a 4 hours consolidation. So let me go to 1 hour. Ladies and gentlemen, you discover that this looking like an M pattern. So this is the neckline here. We can get our entry. Let me look at 15 minutes time if there's something that can work for us. Okay, it's not visible. So let's go back to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Let's go back to 4 hours time frame. Okay, so now I'll use 4 hours time frame to make decision of this candle right now. So guys, if you're on this trade right now, get ready to opt in, because no 4 hour candle has been able to close above. So ladies and gentlemen, let's sell AUD USD at the moment. Let's sell AUD USD. This is a live chart. Let me quickly look at how many lot size per risk in this a short position from this point here to here. It's like 20 pips. Yes, let's use 20 pips to cash minimum of 40 pips. So ladies and gentlemen, let's come into this trade right now. This is AUD USD. I want to try and type it out into the signal channel. Okay, Let me just type it out from here. It's still giving us a very good entry by that small retracement. Might start pushing to the downside right now. Let me quickly type it out. Why am I taking this decision? I'm taking a decision because it's a breakout. Sell AUD, USD, SL20 pips. 0.66907, 0.66907. How do I stop loss? On our TP is going to be 0.66302, 0.66343. Know what you're risking, guys. Know what you're risking. Okay. So now look at it, guys. The reason why we are selling this trade right now, number one, is an overall sell trend. Overall sell trend, we know it for time. It has been selling all the way down here. So when there is a consolidation like this, that means it wants to rest from the movement he has done all the way from here. So after the consolidation, the next thing you should be expecting is what? Is for you to start pushing to the downside, and unless he gave us a reaction. But right now we got a consolidation with box it. It has been able to close below this consolidation. You can see no 4 hours candle have been able to close here before, but a 4-hour candle closing below is a confirmation that this market might just start pushing to the downside right now. So don't risk too much on it. Use a very low risk, and then let's see how it's going to be playing out for us. I'm also entering this trade on my MT4 too, so let me copy it and paste it to the signal channel. Okay, so here we go. So how much am I risking? Okay. I'm also planning the trade there too. The 20 pips stop loss. If it's what I'm going to use. So I really like to my stop loss because I don't have time to monitor this trade. I will just enter and then forget it. 66907. 66302. Yeah, so guys, let's enter it slowly. It's going up a little bit doesn't mean that it's going to start going up, but at least we have reached 20 pips. So this is above here. So though this one actually weak above here, and we don't want to, if I say we should extend it, that would be like a 30 pips, like a 25 pips. Let's make it 27 pips to accommodate small. Okay. 66976 66976. So 66976. Zero six seven pips. Okay, so for all of you that are on the live session too, let me type it out for you guys. Um, so thank you for all of you that are praying for me. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. I'll send the info here. I'll send the info here for some of you that are asking. So that is it, guys. Let's just see it play out. So let me quickly look at if there's any other opportunity in the market. But see this, we are basing our decision on this bearish engulfing candle. So this market might just do a little retracement and continue to the downside. However, market has a mind of its own. This trade is very risky. Don't risk too much on it. Just take a very low risk, okay? Take a very low risk depending on your account size. So I've been looking at AUD. Let's look at GBP that we are in since Monday, since Friday. So we started entering this trade around here, and right now we are very good in profit, okay? So it's even likely, it has even gotten to almost like 50 pips here right now, and we are targeting 100 pips. So let's see if it's going to break this psychological level to the upside. If not, be at alert, it has gotten to a psychological level. Go to 15 minutes time frame. So, but one thing you should know is that it is respecting this trend line, isn't it? This is our first entry here due to the trend line. It come back to retest this trend line again, which it did after it rallied to the upside, and today it has come to retest this trend line again. So hence we have an high probability that this trade is going to continue respecting that trend line and reach our TP. But nevertheless, after this trend line, after this psychological has been broken, we are going to move our stop loss probably to entry or to a little bit in profit. Okay, so that's that. On Euro USD, I don't think we have any. If there's a psychological level here that I draw 1.0900, that is where the market is actually respecting right now. So I'm hoping maybe it will come and retest this trend line or so, I don't know. So I think that's all for today. BTC USD, BTC is not ready. What I want BTC to do, it has not done it. I want it to break above. It's doing as if we break above, but no, break above, retest, then continuation. So right now NAS 2, I want it to, okay, it has retested that place on 15 minutes time frame, is heading to the upside, but nevertheless, let's just know what we are doing. Don't take too much risk on all of this trading unless you know what you are risking, okay? Yeah, I think that's all for this morning. I'm just going to go now. I want to go and get some medications and then get some groceries. That's all. So that will be all for now. So any question, if you have any question, you can let me know. If there's no any question, like in two minutes now, just put an end to this, okay? Any question, any question? Any question, ladies and gentlemen? So let's hope for this trade. It's likely to play out for us. Okay, so don't mind all these things, but nevertheless know what you are risking. And our swing trade is still swinging. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you, guys. I will definitely take care of myself. I got no choice. I got no choice than to take care of myself. Okay, so I'll call it a day from here, guys. Happy to see you. Do make sure you make today a profitable day for yourself. Don't risk too much. Take a very light risk. It's Monday morning, and then the market is still just welcoming, it's still fresh. So don't take too much risk and know what you are risking. And at the same time, if you want to take trade on your own, make sure you have at least three minimum of three confluences. Four is good, no, three is good, four is better, five or more is best. Okay, so that's that about that. I greet every one of you. I can't start mentioning them, like I need to quickly go. Okay, so I greet and appreciate all of you that are wishing me a quick recovery and praying for me. God bless you. So I'm going to call it an end from here, guys. Bye bye, and have a productive and a successful day. Bye from here, guys.